are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Well, today's video is all about the mystery book crochet along that I have going on my channel. And each month we are reading a book from Betty Hickman, and it's a crochet mystery series. This is the first one, Hooked on Murder. And oh my gosh, I have enjoyed this so much. And so it came with a pattern at the end of the book, and it's to make a granny square. So I've made 3 of these granny squares. These are all made with cotton yarns, and you can use cotton yarn. I would suggest using cotton yarn because they are granny squares. They're washcloths, and I don't know if I'd necessarily... Well, you can use them for a hot pad too, I guess, because they are cotton. But anyway, I've made 3 of these, and I've had so much fun with this. But I want to show you, I did make the cake that's each book at the end of it has a recipe. So here's the cake. It's buttercream icing, and it's pound cake. And I made that, and I will show you a little video clip of me making it and putting the icing on it. And I'm actually going to taste it with you guys. So. How this tastes, but here it comes in. I made it like in a loaf pan there. All right, guys, I got my coffee ready. Let's see if this is any good. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna try it first with the icing on it. So let's see. Do a little small bite first. See what I think. Get the icing on it. Here we go. Wow. Wow, that's really good. Yeah. I'm going to take me another bite. I have not ever made pound cake before. This is my first. Wow. That's good. That buttercream icing with it is so good. Wow. Okay, so this is basically what this mystery crochet book, Crochet Along, is all about. You get to read a good mystery that involves a lot of crochet. There was something in here I thought was really interesting, and it was about one of the characters in here has they say crochet and lose weight. I was like, okay, I'm interested in that, crochet and lose weight. So basically, and it's for stress too. So basically it just says to carry a little ball of yarn with you and a hook with you at all times. And when you're starting to feel that sweet, salty craving coming on, or if you're starting to feel a little stressed even, just pull that out and start chaining. And if you want, you can turn it into, start making little circles, whatever it takes. And so I was like, well, that's a really cool idea. But yeah, it's really neat. One thing I thought was interesting that I did not know, and I don't know if it's a true thing or if it's just something in the book, that you can take your, while I'm eating my food, I don't know, it seems kind of weird to say it, but you can take when you've taken your pet to the groomers, you can take the hair home with you, and you can have that hair, take it to someone and have it spun, and then you can crochet with it. I don't know, I don't even want to think about that even getting on my food, but hey, apparently that's a thing. It's something I didn't know about. But anyway, I encourage you guys, I'll leave the links below if you're interested in these books. I am buying the books, but I am actually reading them, checking them out from my local library and reading the audio version of them. I heard that, which is true, but I read the audio version, or I listened to the audio version. It does not have the pattern or the cake mix in it. I'm not sure if you do the Kindle version, if they have it in there, like when you're doing the reader, not necessarily the audio, but the reader part. I don't know, guys. But I am buying the books, the whole series. I've got about 5 of them right now. But anyway, I just want to encourage you guys that if you're interested in this, have fun with it. It just gives you something to do. It gives you a recipe to make. It gives you a pattern to make. And it gives you a good crochet mystery book. So the second one in the series, which I'm fixing to start, I've already borrowed it from my library. I've returned this one, and I'm borrowing this one. And so I will start on this tonight. Dead Men Don't Crochet. What a title. So, yeah. And the name of the crochet group is called the Tarzana Hookers. Oh gosh, yeah, this is all so much fun. And guys, I hope you are having as much fun as I am. And I look forward to seeing in the Facebook group page your squares that you've made, along with if you've gotten around to making the pound cake. I had all the ingredients except whipped cream, or the heavy cream for heavy cream for the icing, and it called for cake flour, and I've never heard of cake flour, but apparently it's a thing. But I also looked up that what you can substitute for cake flour, and you can just use your all-purpose flour, remove 2 tablespoons of it per cup, and then put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in its place. And so that's what I did for this, and I think it turned out really good. So guys, come on, join the crochet along, and be sure and post to my Facebook group page. Well guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.